Here are 5 staircase design things you seriously need to know about before designing and building a set of stairs. Number 1, ignoring building codes and safety regulations. This is arguably the biggest blunder, failing to adhere to local building codes regarding riser height, tread depth, handrail height, and strength. Baluster spacing and overall width can lead to serious safety hazards, potential injuries, and costly fines. And of course, there's nothing more dangerous than a staircase with steps that are all slightly different sizes. And even a small variation in riser height or tread depth can throw off a person's momentum, and this can lead to someone tripping or falling. And let's face it, folks, the human brain expects consistency when traveling up and down any stairway, and even the smallest deviation can become dangerous. Number 3, poor or inadequate lighting, where you have a dimly lit or no light at all around that staircase, is an accident waiting to happen. Without sufficient illumination, it could become difficult to distinguish individual steps and confuse certain people who have a difficult time navigating the stairway in the first place. Next up, choosing unsuitable materials for practicality or lack of practicality. You really have to put some thought into this one, because you don't want to use materials that are highly polished and can create extremely slippery surfaces, unless you're going to be using non-slip treatments. So again, these materials might look great, but they might not be safe. Then we have materials that show every smudge and scratch, and within a short period of time will start to look worn and even dirty. Or a material that will require constant upkeep or maintenance. And of course, this video wouldn't be complete if I didn't mention the glass hand railing or even glass steps in homes with young children or active pets that might be a constant source of fingerprints and smudges, or even the safety concerns that come with the glass if it wasn't manufactured or installed correctly. And that about completes our safety list, because the last one on our list will be neglecting the space underneath the stairway if it can actually be used as a closet to provide the building occupants with more storage space. And I've even seen these spaces used as small rooms in buildings that have larger stairways. And as always, I hope you learned something from this, and if you did, let us know by hitting the thumbs up button, or consider sharing another design tip in the video comment area. And thanks for watching. If you enjoyed the video, let us know by hitting the thumbs up button or letting us know in the comment area.